Shalom, this is Yehudit Goldfarb from Sfat, now in Colorado, in Denver, and I wish to share with you the movements I will be doing for the 22nd day, the count of 40 days of challenge and centering. It's 22nd day is on Shabbat, so we're not quite into Shabbat here, and I will record this now and put it out, hopefully before Shabbat, not after Shabbat. Okay, so the 22nd day of the count is the letter Dalet along with the nikudah for Yesod. We're going up the ladder with the letter Dalet. We're moving into the world of Yetzirah, from Yesod up to Hesed. We're going to do a Dalet I call the swing Dalet, which is a little different than I did for the Malchut Dalet. There are several forms of Dalet, and I'm going to do at least 4 of them on these tapes. So the swing Dalet has the feet together and the hands literally swing up in front of you. And then the left hand comes back, the left heel comes up and then down again. Okay? And that's making the essence of the Dalet except the hay. So it's swing and around, and the head goes down. There's your Dalet. And then you lift the head and bring the other hand around, heel comes up and down, and then the palms go down. So it's up, swing, make the Dalet, swing again as you're closing. And from the other side, it's up, right heel comes off when the right hand comes back. Up and down. Heel comes off and then comes down. Off and then comes down. So that's the rhythm of the Dalet, the swing Dalet for Yesod. And the nikudah is the Shuruk. So the Shuruk is stepping to the side. Let me get more centered here. Stepping to the side, bringing the hands up, all the fingertips together. A dot in front of your chest, the head bent. And it's ooh. Ooh. If you were to see it from the side, it's a dot in front of it, front of the bob. Ooh. Lifting the head. Ooh. Place of connection, communication, intimacy, bonding, all of these for a foundation for Yesod. Then we're going to do a combination going up the ladder of the spiritual path, starting with the active Malchut, going all the way through to the Keter, and then receiving God's breath. And I'm actually going to start with the receiving Malchut, of receiving Hashem's breath, getting myself centered and grounded at the very beginning. Okay, so then stepping forward, or not stepping forward, swinging forward, and bringing the left heel up and then down again as I swing. The Dalet, and then head up, and the right heel comes up and down, and the hands come down. Then to the side for the Shuruk for Yesod. Ooh. It would be do actually if I pronounce it with the Dalet. So then on the that was Malchut. Now moving to the right for Yesod. I'm going to just do the doubles. Stepping to the right. Do. Left for hold. Do. Right for Netzah. Do. Sefirot, go left. Do. Stay on the left for Gevurah. Do. Right for Hesed. Do. Left for Bina. Understanding. Do. Right for Akma. Do. And left for Keter. Do. And letting Hashem breathe me as I let the energy go from the crown to the feet to into the ground, centering, grounding, hanging from a string, knees slightly bent. So I want to clarify what I do with my feet at the end of that movement for the Dalet. When you swing, it's a dip and up. Then the hand that's moving, that heel comes up and comes down, and the head goes down. Then you lift the head, and then this one, my right heel comes up, and then I do a roll, actually to go down. As the right foot goes down, the left comes up and then down, both together. So again, so if it's the right side starting, the right heel comes up and comes down, the left heel comes up, and then the right comes up as the left goes down, and the right comes down as the hands stop. So it's one up and down, the other comes up, and as it comes down, there's a roll. Okay? Just want to clarify that. And then bless us on this 22nd day of the 40-day count of challenge and centering, that we, in all our communications, that they be, like with the Dalet, they be doorways to deeper understanding and an extension of real connectedness in all our relationships. Many blessings to you. Shabbat Shalom.